Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and the series of videos on telepathy. Last time I gave you a music file where it will activate your chakras, and I hope that you have practiced enough, not only the meditation which would have activated your chakras, but the earlier meditation which I told you to do so, about going back into the past and thinking about the past. Okay, if you are not aware of what I am talking about, there is a video already on this, then you can just revisit that video and check it out. In this video I am going to talk about my own personal experience. So when my friend Sai, who has been featured in one of the earlier videos, he triggered this thought within me that why don't you create a series of videos on telepathy. So I was a bit skeptical about this topic. I was not sure whether this really works, not works. Topic is interesting. I admit that it may generate some interest among people, but whether it really works, and unless and until it has worked for me, there is no point in making videos and just rolling out. That was the thought. So moment he mentioned this to me and moment he narrated his story to me, I kept this on hold and I started doing my own study about this particular topic. What people have to say, who are those people who are the so-called experts of telepathy, what do they say about this, is it an ancient science, where did it come from, so all this kind of things. When I went further down, I discovered that this instinct is there within animals. Human is also an animal, and we have lost this instinct over a period of time when we have got a lot of screen times, we have got a lot of other kind of inputs and influxes on us, which will be more unnatural kind of surroundings, I will say, and we are constantly into that. So we have lost a lot of instincts. So one of the instincts that we have lost was telepathy. Now to revive those instincts, there are a lot of things that one can do, and we have discussed those in various videos. So I am not covering that now in this video. Coming straight to what did I do and what did I achieve. So to start with, there is a process by which the signals are to be sent, which I will be explaining in the next video, but in this video just the results. 6 people I decided to be sending the telepathic signal to. Now how did I decide the 6 people? All of these 6 people I have got very good tuning with, and there are many more people whom I have got good tuning with, but I did not select those people because they are somewhat in touch with me anyways. So there was no point in sending a telepathic signal to them and just verifying whether they are connecting with me or reciprocating, because they are anyway reciprocating today also. So I wouldn't have experimented in those sense. So I selected 6 people who had, and I could have selected more, but these 6 people who I selected was the tuning was good, that is one thing, and secondly these people had not connected with me for a long time, and that is the important point, that apart from the tuning part of it, which is very important, they had not connected with me for a long time. Some of them have not connected me for years together. So I thought these are good candidates for trying out telepathy. If it really works, then it should work for me also, and it should work with these people also. Now whether they are good recipients of telepathy or not, I don't know. So there are few exercises one can do to improve their reception also by doing something from this end, our end. But that will be a different topic. I sent same message to all the 6 people. Now what was the message? The message was to connect, asking them to connect with me through any medium. Basically either through a phone call or a SMS or a WhatsApp message or Facebook message, whatever. Basically whatever ways they should connect with me at least once. And when did I do this kind of exercise? I did it early morning. So little bit darkness still there. During that time I started doing this kind of an exercise where I used to sit in an erect posture, comfortable posture, breathing normal, bringing in intense energy inside of my brain. That means focusing, basically focusing on thoughts about a particular person. Suppose if I got one person in mind, I will focus on thoughts about that person, thinking about different memories, about good memories about that person together with us, basically between me and that person. What were the memories, what did we do, what did not do. So in flashes of memory, but this thought was intense within that particular time frame. Now maybe 2-3 minutes per person, not more than that. And once that happens, uh, the thought that should gather in your brain should be an intense thought that please connect with me, please connect with me by any medium. So you can use your own language to create those kind of thoughts, because thinking in English for a non-English person may not be required. You have to think through a thought where it will be more conducive for you to make it more vibrant kind of a thought. So maybe your own language may work, or maybe no language, just a thought. So that will also work. So make it more intense. Now what you need to do is you have to use your little bit of imagination, that this thought is nothing but a spark. As I explained in the first video, it's a spark going from one cell to another. Just imagine that spark is the energy which is coming out of your cranium, and then this energy gets spread across within no time, because it's at the speed of light. It gets spread across throughout this earth, the same thought. And you may find it very funny kind of a thought, that how can one single thought spread across the entire earth. It is the same as when you see a cricket match and the broadcasting reaches everywhere, and the right towers will pick it up from there. So if that can reach, this can also reach. So do not be stunned or astonished. How about my feeble thought? Can it reach the entire earth? It can. And this entire spectrum it is covering. Now the recipients are not towers. The recipients are people who are tuned with particular thought, that particular thought. They are having a capability of receiving that thought because it is concerning them. And if they were to receive it, then only telepathy will work. Otherwise, it will just remain as a thought. Now, what you need to do is sit in this erect posture, have these intense thoughts, talk. It's a self-talk with yourself, that what are the memories that happened with this person, good memories, how did you enjoy together, what type of incidences happened, and then connect with that person mentally, and then let the thought come out. And just imagine that this thought has traveled the entire globe within no time. It's a fraction of a second, or zero time. It has traveled everywhere, and now you're almost trying to push that person to receive that kind of a thought, receive that thought, and then send back the message. It is not going to be a miraculous kind of a thing where people will start suddenly reciprocating. Nothing like that will happen. So this is my experiment I am saying, which I did earnestly through my home, and 6 people I did, and I used to keep doing this every day. And there were maybe 2 weeks I would have done this continually, not knowing whether what will happen. But you have to keep total faith in the thought, otherwise it will be a fake thought. If you do it half-heartedly, that means you are not actually sending the right thoughts at all. You have to keep total faith into this till the time you are doing it. Later on, if nothing happens, maybe you give up, then you may give up the faith also. But till the time you are doing, keep total faith on it. And my experience, what happened was, out of those 6 people, one of them called me on the 10th day in the evening, and I was really surprised to see his call. And I asked, what is it, reason that you have called? It's just casually, I am calling you because it's a lockdown situation. We have not talked to each other for a long time, and I am connecting. I thought of connecting with friends, and that is how he has connected with me. So of course I did not tell him that it is my telepathic thoughts that made you do it, and nothing like that, because with due credit to him, that he has taken efforts and made it happen. But it worked wonders for me, that this is what I also did as a telepathic exercise, and he has called me, and he might have called many more people also. And then there is another lady who was also very close to me for a long time. She also called me for some job prospects for her son. So this was, after a long time she has called me. So 2 of those people out of 6 connected with me, and there was a third one who sent out a message to me, but I am not counting that third one, because there was another factor that came in between. In one of the groups I shared one photograph which was quite an old photograph, and that would have triggered the thought through a physical, a digital photograph, which is why I am not counting that as 3. Otherwise I would have counted that as 3. So out of 6, 2 people responded in a very favorable way, and that has been my experience. And hence I thought of pursuing this further and doing this entire series of videos. So I am still a student. I am narrating the real incidents that have happened. There are no false claims. There is nothing like, dramatic that is going to happen. You may struggle a lot and nothing may happen. So it is not to tell you that, this is something 100% that it will work, and you can solve all your issues and problems, or some love affairs that you have, or any kind of things that you want the other person to make happen. Nothing like that. So I am not claiming anything like that. Though some people may claim like that, I don't think that something very dramatic can happen, but it is just a kind of a exchange of thoughts where a person thinks about you and maybe reciprocates you. Some signaling can happen between two brains is what I am going to talk about. So this is my experience. In this video I am going to stop here, just narrating my truthful experience to you. In the next video I am going to show to you the real technique that I have used, and this technique is based on variety of inputs from variety of places and how exactly it is to be done, the real process behind it. Okay, so do watch out for that particular video. See you next time.